Welcome. In this quick video, you'll learn how to add a customer, add a product, and create a sales invoice in Zubizi ERP. To create new sales invoice, navigate to Sales, then Sales. Click on New Sales button. Then you have to select a customer. But if this is a new customer, we will add the customer first by clicking on the Add Customer button. Enter necessary details of the customer and click Save. Next, we will add an item in the invoice. Again, if this is a new product, we will add that too. Enter product name. Select size. If the size isn't available, add new size. Enter size name and box capacity and click Save. Now we will add the sales rate of that size in the product details. Select other information if needed. I am creating a apparel product. We have an HSN, we will add it here. Enter HSN name and tax rate of that HSN. Select unit type. Now, since this is a special kind of HSN, we need to configure such way so that it auto-calculates during invoice generation by adding exception limit and the tax rate after the threshold. After that, we will save the HSN. We will create new category and save that as well. Then we will finally save the product, which will add the product item in the invoice. We will enter the quantity here and see if all the calculations are accurate. Now to add an existing product from the product master, we will search the product from here and add. Enter quantity again, and for this product, I will increase the sales rate to show you how the exception limit we added during HSN entry will auto-calculate here. Now we will save the invoice finally. You can print or download the invoice as you please. To reprint the invoice, just click on the print button for the invoice and it will show you the nicely created invoice that we just saved. Thank you for watching.